I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from your Charles Schwab account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Charles Schwab website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your account details handy. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, find the Transfers option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your money movements. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Transfers section, look for the option to withdraw fund. Click on it to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your account and amount. Select the account from which you want to withdraw money and enter the amount. Double check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Note, if you try to withdraw more than your available balance, you'll get an error message. Step 5. Confirm and submit your withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Schwab.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. With these steps, you should be able to withdraw money from your Charles Schwab account easily. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.